Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can appear offline to your friends on Roblox, and basically like how you can make it so that no one can really join you in a game. So if you go to the more here, and if you went to the settings tab, you can go to privacy. And here's where you can basically make yourself go offline. So go to the visibility in private servers. So go to visibility and it says when you restrict one of these settings, one related settings may also be restricted. And it says show current experience. You're going to select no one, and basically makes it seem like you're not in a game. I don't think it necessarily makes you go offline, but people won't be able to join the game you're playing, so just like no one here. And I think you can also do this one, and you're going to press disable as well on that. So that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.